Hi guys, I'm Kavya Bajaj, a class 11 student of the Heritage School. When we heard about this internship, we thought, why not trade summer boredom for some actual experience and maybe a few LinkedIn worthy pictures? So here we are, four teens trying to survive the corporate jungle and frankly loving it actually. So here we have Anushka, my partner in crime for life and for the podcast. So Anushka, can you tell us a little about yourself?
Hi guys, I'm Anushka Jain from the Heritage School. Same class, same chaos. Over the past 2 weeks, I got this wonderful opportunity to intern at the JPNR Corporate Consultants, a leading firm in corporate consultancy services. It was my first real taste of corporate world, and I'm very excited to share my experience with you guys. We can just say that it was a major switch from school uniform to Excel spreadsheets.
Oh, truly major it was. So Anushka, tell us truly what drew you to apply for this internship?
Honestly, I was very curious, like very, very curious. I wanted to know what exactly happens in this corporate world beyond those boring classroom theories and
The same day over and over again.
Correct. And thanks to Neeraj sir for giving this wonderful opportunity. I got that chance, and I also wanted to step out of my comfort zone, I would say, and to get ahead in my career.
Yes, that was very mature of you. So
And I wanted to add something meaningful to my CV.
and that interview that sir took, that was like very out of the comfort zone.
Correct.
So now Anushka, tell us what was your first day like? Were there any surprises or anything?
Oh, definitely. The first day was a mix of excitement and nerves. I still remember Neeraj sir pointed out that we were laughing like hooligans. He even joked that we had zero office decorum. And it hit me like that it wasn't school anymore. But honestly, within a day or two, things just randomly clicked. And I would like to thank the team. They were super welcoming and generous. And it started to feel like home.
Yeah, so we truly went from awkward giggles to, confident. Okay, let's not lie, semi-confident handshakes, and
True.
it was truly fun, So, okay, and this book,
The Consulting Way, of course.
Neeraj sir told us to read this book, and we read it. So now, we know everything about the consulting agencies.
So Kavya, tell us about which kind of projects did you work on during this internship?
Actually, when we joined this internship, I actually thought that we'd just be doing the basic assistant works like taking out printouts and making coffee.
FYI, Kavya did not even touch a single cup of coffee.
We don't talk about that. Okay, let's not speak the truth. I hate coffee, but still. So basically, we learned a lot from Neeraj sir. We calculated ratios from balance sheets. We talked about ITRs. We did research on that. ITRs are income tax
returns.
I thought you did not know. Okay, so
and
other than
7 kind of files. Okay.
you don't know anything. And then we studied about GSTs, and basically Neeraj sir is like an inspiration for us. We did not know anything. Balance sheet ratios, when he told us to calculate those, we just thought
We were
we are
completely
doing
blank.
journal and ledgers in school. How can we calculate those things? We were shocked totally. So I don't know. None of us couldn't do it.
So we watched a YouTube video. We also learned about TDS again, tax deducted at source. Sir also gave us the insight about Bhagavad Gita and
Moksha.
how does we
how
moksha
to lead a peaceful life.
peaceful life and all. And we also attended a meeting, and I
About
guess the client was
Siliguri.
based in Siliguri, right?
And they handled the offshore accounts.
Offshore
So,
accounts.
about that
We learned many new terms, yeah.
purchase order, PO and PR. I still don't know what PR is.
Kavya, any challenges you faced? How did you handle them?
There were so many. Like, the first was realizing that this wasn't like school anymore. I couldn't just raise my hand and ask the teacher, "Ma'am, can I go to the washroom?" And there were no bells ringing. I just sat and stared at my screen, and I was just thinking, like, okay, so now what do I do? And then there was just quite productivity everywhere, and it was honestly just terrifying on the first day.
For me, it was trying not to look clueless, like while feeling completely clueless. I spent the first few hours googling how to write a professional email.
Just so nobody would ask questions,
Yeah,
that we didn't know the answers
I
to.
was like completely clueless. But seriously, we handled it by laughing off, and actually, all the articles were suffering because of our stupid and dumb questions.
Like, we were asking again and again, like, what exactly does a consulting agency do? And we asked it for the 10th time, but still they were happily answering to our questions.
Very calmly, I would say.
Yes.
And we can say that we survived and thrived throughout this journey.
It was a new experience, totally new thing for us.
So Kavya, how would you describe the work culture at JPNR Corporate Consultants?
Honestly,
What are your views?
No, basically it was way more chill than I expected, but not in a bad way. We always had something new to learn, and the
We could
employees.
share our ideas.
Yes, and employees were very supportive to us, and
Very generous.
they were like mentors for us. They
correct.
taught us a lot of new things, and they did not ever make us feel like we were just interns for them. They treated us like their own, like their family, So I thought everyone would be uptight and they would be
Very
formal, and no one would be talkative like us. But they are exactly the same.
Correct. Gossip.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was professional, but in a good manner, not in a scary manner, like suits and silence kind of way.
Yeah.
You could speak up, share your ideas, and not feel
They
judged.
respected our opinions.
They respected our opinions. I once gave a suggestion during the discussion, and they really applied it, and that was that I might belong here maybe moment.
Yeah.
Say. And don't get me started on the lunch breaks. That was amazing.
Amazing. We would just sit on the table and eat. Like,
That was basically
was
our
ours.
way of team bonding.
yeah, we would just sit with the employees and talk with them. And so basically, JPNR is the kind of place where we're expected to grow and expected to learn, but we're also expected to be ourselves, So that made all the difference.
Correct. The employees here were very supportive, and they made the office feel like a home, like Ayushi Didi, Muskan Didi, Diya Didi, and one of our bhaiyas,
Didi and
Priyanka Didi and Surujit Da, and one of our bhaiyas quoted a line that network is equal to net worth.
yeah, Nehal bhaiya.
Nehal bhaiya.
He gave great advice, truly.
Huh.
And there was also a birthday of one of the employees, and we did not know her, but still we went and wished her.
One thing that you thought the corporate world would look like, but it was totally different in your aspect.
Actually, I thought I'd need to use really big words like KPIs and synergies every 5 minutes. I even went and researched in the dictionary big
Kavya
words.
was busy increasing her vocabulary.
It's always great to gain more knowledge, okay? So,
Okay, Kavya, enough from behind.
but here plain English works just fine.
Yeah, correct.
And sometimes even better. No need to use hi-fi words and all.
Correct. So, Kavya, did this internship change the way you think about your future anymore?
Yeah, totally 100%. I mean, I imagine an office job coming out of a dull movie, with grey walls, grumpy people, and endless paperwork. But JPNR completely flipped that image. It turns out when you're with the right people in the right environment and doing meaningful work,
Very true.
it can be exciting. It totally
Very
can
true,
be
very
exciting. I know, shocking, right?
Same here. I initially thought that I need to figure out my whole career plan by now. But this internship made me realize that it's totally okay not to map it out. It gave me clarity, not just about what things I like, but also what I don't find interesting.
We should explore.
Explore. Like data entry, of course.
Data entry.
Yes, seeing how many different career paths exist within a country was an eye-opening.
Yeah. So the internship didn't just teach us about the corporate world, it made us realize things about ourselves too.
Correct.
If your internship were a movie, what would the title be?
I would say from Clueless to Corporate, the Intern Diaries.
Or maybe Excel, email and existential crisis featuring 4 confused teens and a lot of coffee.
True, very true.
So finally, Anushka, any final shout outs or thoughts?
Definitely. A huge shout out to Neeraj sir, Jayesh sir, and Roshan sir, and the entire JPNR team for being so patient, so welcoming, and encouraging, and like next level patient. Seriously, Neeraj sir deserves a medal. He handled our 300 questions a day
So patiently, without
losing his cool.
So yeah, Neeraj sir is basically a walking encyclopedia with Wi-Fi. He's full of ideas and creativity and knowledge. And we were actually trying to figure out if he's secretly powered by AI,
Correct.
So he basically guided us and challenged us,
us.
and well, he did not make us feel small, treating us like newbies. He did not ever. So
Correct. He made us tough, I would say.
he treated us as an equal.
We are super grateful for this wonderful opportunity. It wasn't just an internship, but it was kind of passing through a backstage and stepping into the corporate world with a very wise tour guide.
So thank you JPNR for trusting 4 clueless schoolgirls with a glimpse into the real world. We're totally going back with skills, memories and a slightly clear version of our career. So thank you.
Thank you, JPNR. We will be forever
For
grateful.
grateful.